Hey guys and welcome back. In this video we shall learn how to show all tray icons on Windows 11. In previous versions of Windows, the icons were mainly shown on the taskbar. The users can switch to different apps with only one click, but now in Windows 11, it has a default feature to hide the icons from the main taskbar to avoid overflowing. Let me show you. As you can see from here, all the apps have been hidden by default so that it can prevent the overflow, and it has created the submenu represented by this arrow on the right side of the taskbar, from where users can click on this arrow and then access the app. But sometimes the user want to show all the tray icons or some of the tray icons on Windows. So let's see how we can do that. The first and the easiest method is the drag and drop method, which is going to help you in placing the required application from the submenu to the taskbar, and it is the easiest step to perform to show all the tray icons on Windows 11. So for that, all you have to do is just click on this arrow and then click and hold the icon that you want to drag from here. I have clicked and held this Windows security icon, and then I'm going to drag it outside of the submenu, and after that you can see there's one very thin line which is next to the arrow. If I release the mouse button, it is going to drop the icon on the taskbar, and you can see that now this Windows security icon is on the taskbar and not in the submenu. In the same way, you can click and hold different icons of the apps and then bring them to the taskbar in this way, and then you can leave them and they will be displayed in the taskbar and they will not be hidden by default. This is the easiest way. So the next method or the next way is by using Windows 11 settings, and it's going to allow user to make changes to the taskbar so they can easily customize it, and the users can also shift the position of the taskbar, change the size of taskbar, and also control the icons displayed on it. So just right click on your start button and then click on settings, and then click on personalization, which is here on the left side. Now you have to scroll down till you find taskbar, so click on it. Now you have to go to the bottom till you find this option, other system tray icons. Now from here you can just turn on the icons that you want to be displayed in the taskbar. Like for example, this is the Bluetooth devices icon. If I turn it on and then I open my taskbar, then you can see Bluetooth icon has been added to the taskbar. In the same way, you can add other icons as well right from this setting. All you have to do is just turn it on from here, and also if you turn it off, then it will be added to the submenu and it will be hidden. For example, if I turn off this Microsoft OneDrive icon, then it will be added to the submenu and it will be displayed only when we click on this arrow, and you can see it's here. And the other method to pin the apps to the taskbar is by using the start menu. So all you have to do is click on the start button and then right click on the app that you want to add to the taskbar, and from here you will have to click on pin to taskbar. If I click on it, you can see the app has been added to my taskbar, and the app is going to stay here on the taskbar even if you have closed it. So that's all for this video. I hope you were able to learn how to show the tray icons which are here, and also add the icons to your taskbar so that you can quickly access them. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.